Hello everyone and welcome to BISP Solutions. I am CS Anjana Mishra working as the lead functional consultant at BISP Solutions. I specialize in synthesizing and analyzing the financial data. I have 7 years of experience in NetSuite, HFM, FCCS and so others. BISP Solutions is a tech company providing technological solutions across the globe. We have a far-flung proficiency in end-to-end implementation and support. Today we'll be looking upon the general ledger report in the Oracle NetSuite application. The general ledger is a master of all the accounts of your business and is primarily used for monitoring the financial activity of your business. It details all the business accounts and the account activity during this period. The GL report or the general ledger report contains the account summaries, including details of every transaction going in and out of your accounts. It is organized not only by the date but also by the account types. Since the general ledger contains a database of information about accounting transactions, it is mainly used by the accountants and auditors for investigating the accounts. General ledger is the comprehensive summary of different parts of your accounting. It contains all the accounts that are affected by the transaction, any transaction that is involved in the monetary terms of all those details are recorded in the general ledger report. And hence, general ledger report is the primary source of generating all the other financial reports that are generated in the organizations, be it your profit and loss, balance sheet, or your comparatives, or any kind of report that is generated, financial report that is generated into your business. The primary source of the information of that report is the general ledger report. This is the pro forma of a general ledger report. As you can see, it contains the date of the transaction, the accounts that are affected by a transaction, the debit amount, the credit amount, any short description, memo number, batch number, references. All of those things are actually contained in the general ledger report. Moving on to our NetSuite application. So this is my NetSuite application. Let us go to our general ledger report. So this is my general ledger report. Now, general ledger report in the NetSuite application, as you can see, let us assume I am a multi-subsidiary company. So the general ledger report here that is generated is, this is the consolidated GL report. That means it contains the actions or the transactions of all the group, that is the parent and the subsidiary together. So this is my GL report of the consolidated firm. I can also from here change the period. As you can see, I can change the period. I can select a quarter, year, first fiscal quarter of the last financial year, last fiscal quarter, last fiscal year, last period. All of these things I can actually select. And if not, if I would like to see a particular entry or a transaction from a particular date, I can also select it from here. Any particular month can be actually selected. As you can see, the month that is selected here is July 2020. I can also choose from June 2020 to July 2020. And as you can see, there are certain changes into my transaction. Now the bills of my June month are also included into the GL report. So this is how I can actually customize this general report, general ledger report, depending on my choices. Now from here, I can also choose the subsidiary, a particular subsidiary for which I would like to review the general ledger report. Like as I want BISP trainings GL report. So I can actually select and look at the, what are the, just a moment, I'll just select this period from here. Now, as you can see, these are the transactions that are entered into the BISP training subsidiary of my GL. I can actually expand and collapse all the things from here. Expand, collapse. Also, I can export this report into my spreadsheets as a PDF or as a Word document, as a doc or a Word doc. Also, I can print it from here only. I do not have to export it and then print it. I can print it from here. And also, if I would like to mail this report to any of the personnel or to my subordinates or the superiors, I can directly click on this link and the email link will actually open up. So this is the email link that has actually opened up. So when I'm clicking it directly here from here, the email link opens up. It contains the link to the report, and I can actually select whom I would like to send this report to. So this is how I can actually also change my views to the GL report. Now let us say I would, as you can see, this GL report is in the reporting currency, that is the GBP. I can also customize my GL report and actually add formula fields to it. Let's say I like to add certain formula field to it, as in a sum of all the uh, if there had been 4 to 5 numbers field over here, I would like to see the number of all those 4 5 fields over here. I can actually select the formula field, add a formula field to it, give the column name as total sum or something. Then formula type sum of x plus y. What is the x amount? What is the y amount from the report? I can actually select and apply a formula field and actually apply the formula field over here. And also I can have certain kind of transactions that I can actually view over here. Like as I was saying, this report is into the reporting currency. I would also like to see the foreign currency amount into my GL report for this particular subsidiary. So I can actually include that from here, save it, and as you can see, the foreign currency amount has been included. Let us take this equation or the transaction as an example. I'll just click it. So as you can see, the transaction that is entered in USD. So this is the foreign currency. The USD amount is $90. And the balance that is showing into my reporting currency is 67.6 GBPs. That is my reporting currency. So as in this manner, I can actually customize my GL report as I would like to view it. Also, I can actually add a kind of view all of these from the account type, as in the current balance of this particular account. Whatever is the account we are actually looking at, we can actually view the current balances of those particular account. So as you can see, the current balance of this account is this. These are the current balances of my account. The current balances of the account I can actually see. So this is how customization can be made to the GL report of the NetSuite application, and you can also view the general report depending on the subsidiaries, on the consolidated level, and on the particular subsidiary level. Also, the parent level, subsidiary level, the report, consolidated level. All the GL views are actually given into the NetSuite application. So this was all from my side on the GL report. In case of any queries, consultation, or help that is required from our side, please just do get back to us at www.bispsolutions.com. We would be happy to help you. Thank you so much.